Are you concerned about owning and carrying a handgun? Do you work in a bad part of town and you have to walk home in the dark and you're concerned about protecting yourself but you cannot get a permit? Are you out in nature and you're not allowed to have a gun with you, such as hunting in archery season when you can't carry a sidearm? Do you live in a bad part of town and you want to protect your family, but yet you're not supposed to have a handgun or your family members are against it? What if you travel out of state, hiking, camping, backpacking, and you don't want the hassle to taking your handgun over state lines? What about traveling to Canada, where you are definitely not taking a handgun because you're not allowed, but you are concerned about wildlife while you are traveling? If any of these situations apply to you, then this product I'm going to show you will be a solution to all these problems. Here is a safe and effective, non-lethal self-defense solution. This device is made by PepperBall, and it uses a pepper irritant projectile that can actually disable a threat up to 150 feet. Depending on which model you're getting. The military and law enforcement has been using this for 25 years, and now it's available to civilians who are concerned about their safety but do not want to use lethal force. Because this is not an actual firearm and it's not lethal, you do not have to go through a background check and there is no waiting period. However, it is still effective in disabling a threat, whether it's human or non-human, and giving you enough time to get away to safety. This device is called the Mobile, and I will give you more details about this, and I will also show you how to put it together and how to use it. This is very easy to use, and also there is no recoil. When you order this product or any of their other models, this is what you're getting. So in the box, you will have the device itself, of course. So open that, look at it. You will have an owner's manual that will answer all your questions. It tells you exactly what to do. Make sure you read that carefully. And this is the device itself, but I will show you how to load it and how to use it in just a little bit. You will get these projectiles. Well, first of all, you actually get the carbon dioxide cartridges, and then you get the live and the practice shots. So the red one is the live, and the purple one is the one that you are going to use to practice first. And you actually get some extra ones in this envelope so that you can practice a lot before actually you end up using it. So now I'm going to show you how to use this one, but PepperBall actually has several products. They range in distance from 25 feet up to 150 feet, and they range in price and size, and they're basically are solutions to different problems. But like I said, first I'm going to show you this one, and then I will go over the details about all the other products.
Do it again.
So So like I said, I'm going to show you all the different models. This is the one that's called mobile. This is the one I showed you how it works. As you could see, it works up to 40 feet and it has a capacity of 3 rounds, and this is what you're getting when you get the package. The next one is called the TCP, and this is more like a gun. It feels like a gun, and this one has the longest distance, 150 feet, and it actually fits in a holster. It weighs less than 2 pounds. It has a capacity of 6 rounds. The next one is called Lifelite. This is a lot smaller in size, so you can easily put it in a small purse. As you can see, this one will work up to 60 feet in distance, and it will have 5 rounds capacity. And the following one is called the Compact. This is the smallest one in size. This will work up to 30 feet, and it has the capacity of 1 round. Thank you so much for watching. You can check out PepperBall on their website, pepperball.com, on Facebook and on Instagram. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment under this video, or of course, it might be better if you actually contact them and they will answer all your questions. But I'm here to help with any questions you might have. I think this product is excellent. It's a very good alternative to a handgun, and a lot of people would definitely benefit from it if they don't want to have a handgun. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.